Fuck. All 4 kick flips. Alright, what's up, you guys? It's Thrasher Skater. And, I got an unboxing from, Juan Ortega. I did a trade with him. I traded him my fisheye and, like, a few bones for some shit. And you're gonna see it right now, so let's get started. Can't see my address from here, right? Okay, cool. Oh shit. Alright, what's the first thing I pull out? Fuck! Okay, nah, I don't want to pull out the deck first. Oh shit, everything's in one piece. It doesn't make difference. Oh shit! Damn. Oh, nice! Whoa, he hooked it the fuck up. Oh shit! Oh, get the fuck out, dude. Oh, that's pretty sick. Some pre-cut. That's cool. Yeah, he sent this like old school deck. Let's see that. Doesn't really have plies or anything, but oh shit, let me check this out. That's pretty cool, dude. Yeah, it's got skate grip. Really, there's nothing really special about the plies, but it's sick. That's cool to have around. That's awesome, dude. Thanks, man. I got 2 pieces of pre-cut wangster. I could tell. That's sick. And then this guy right here. Oh shit, he sent the kingpins. Awesome. Cut wangster. Yeah. That shit's nice. Oh, fucking beast. Damn. It's a flake deck. It's a 31. Draw. Dude, this deck's fucking nice. Oh shit. It feels a little chubby. But the plies are nice. Check these out. Hold up. Fuck. It's got some Rasta plies or some shit. I'll show you. These are the plies. Hold up. Yeah. It goes. Hold up. Fuck! Focus! Damn it. Alright, fuck it. Alright. It's like red, yellow, green, and then it's the blank ply and the graphic. Dude, this deck's fucking nice! Shit, I'm psyched, dude. Oh man, it's fucking awesome. Alright, and then I gave him like $2 for some chromes. But damn, he hooked. Oh shit, he hooked it the fuck up. Yeah. Fucking beautiful. Oh shit. He put the no compress. Oh. Damn, dude. Just got the no complies on there. Fuck. I don't know, dude. Shit. They're new. Like, look, check it out. The thing I'm like sort of bummed out about is the fucking is the axle thing. I don't have anything to take that out with. That fucking sucks, dude. Shit. Whatever. It's got the blue hanger. So yeah, be on the lookout for more vids and shit. And that's about it. So, peace.